Welcome back friends. Today I am going to discuss about the substrate for animal cell culture. Substrate means those type of surfaces which provide attachment for the culturing of animal cells. So our topic today is substrate. Okay, I have told that substrate, what are substrates? Substrates are the surfaces which are available for the cultured cells, cultured animal cells. Okay, these substrates provides surface for the attachment for cultured animal cells. Okay, so there are basically three types of substrates which are being used in animal cell culture or to culture the animal cells. What are those substrates? Those substrates are of three types, made up of glass, plastics and metals. And among these three, the most preferable or the most common substrate which are being used to culture animal cells are glass. So why glass is the most preferred one? Okay, because it can be easily washed, easily washable, it can be easily washed, it can be easily sterilized, it can be easily sterilized. Okay, as well as it is optically clear. It is optically clear. And why it is optically clear? Okay, what is the advantage of clarity? What is the advantage of optical clarity? It helps to examine the cells microscopically. With the help of microscope, the animal cells can be examined very easily or very clearly. So glass is having some advantages. It can be easily washed, it can be easily sterilized, as well as it is optically very clear, so that microscopic examination of the animal cell culture becomes very much easier. Okay, so for these advantages, glass is the most preferred one. Now I am giving you some examples of the types of glass. So first one is soda lime glass, and second one is alum borosilicate. Alum borosilicate type glass is most commonly used, or it is most preferable as compared to the soda lime glass, because soda lime glass releases alkali to the medium. So in case of glass type, alum borosilicate glass is being used. Okay, now soda lime glass, if anybody has to use soda lime glass, okay, it should be detoxified by boiling it in weak acid, because repeated use reduces the attachment. Repeated use reduces the attachment. So this can be regained by a treatment with magnesium 1 ml magnesium acetate, and its concentration will be 1 mm. Okay, for several hours. So the surface attachment will be regained by following this, because the soda lime glasses are, because it reduces the surface attachment, so we will have to treat it by providing 1 mm magnesium acetate for several hours. Now come to the second one substrate, that is plastics. Plastics are non-autoclavable. It cannot be autoclaved. So this is supplied sterilized in a sterilized condition and are of single use. Okay, so this is the case of plastic. Now, most commonly used plastics are polystyrene, polycarbonate, PVC, Teflon are also used, but the most commonly used plastic is polystyrene. Now come to metals. About metals, stainless steel and titanium are being used in case of metal to provide the surface attachment for the animal cells to culture. Stainless steel and titanium. The proper grade stainless steel should be used to avoid the release of toxic substances, release of toxic ions actually, release of toxic ions. Proper grade stainless steel should be used, okay, and it should be acid washed to remove the, it should be acid washed to remove the surface impurities if there is any. So I have told today about the substrates, glass, plastics and metals. So among these all, glass is the most preferred one. So with this, thank you all.